small number of extremely wealthy people, descendants of wealthy families in Europe and the United States, own a major part of the material wealth of the world. This power is concentrated in London, which is the center of the world banking system. The control they have and exercise is kept within the original families and passed down from generation to generation. They are highly organized, operating in secret through a web of private organizations. This group is known as the global elite. Their wealth is accumulating on a compound basis. They determine the course of history through virtual control of the world economy. They are working to a grand plan which is now well advanced. To end the corruption, we must expose it. We will do everything humanly possible to fight the cancerous scourge that is among us. We encourage any vessel, large or small, to open fire on any government or agency that crosses their path. We fully endorse the flaunting of the word anti-seconds on any government website through defacement or graffiti art. We encourage you to spread the word of anti-seconds far and wide, for it will be remembered. Whether you're sailing with us or against us, whether you hold past grudges or burning desire to sink our lone ship, we invite you to join the rebellion. Together we can defend ourselves so that our privacy is not overrun by profiteering gluttons. Your hand can be white, gray or black. Your skin and race are not important. If you're aware of the corruption, expose it now in the name of anti-security. Top priority is to steal and leak any classified government information, including email spools and documentation. Prime targets are banks and other high-ranking establishments. If they try to censor our progress, we will obliterate the censor. It's now or never. Come aboard. We're expecting you. History begins today. We are anonymous. We are legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget. Expect us.